name is Swank from Goodlad Swank Insurance. Today I'm going to talk about dock insurance. This will be a short one. There's not a ton to talk about, simply because a ton of home insurance carriers simply have zero coverage for your dock. However, there are several that do. There's some that will actually insure at replacement costs, which means if it goes away, you're going to get paid a certain dollar amount that's been agreed upon in advance to get that thing right back to where it is. You just got to make sure that it's valued properly. So discuss it with your agent. Make sure this dock is my pride and joy. It's a $150,000 dock. It's got a drywall bathroom. I mean, we've got cutting boards. I mean, we've got all kinds of stuff. We've got a swing on the end. So have a conversation with your agent. There's less than a handful of companies that will actually extend coverage on actual cash value basis, which means if you've got a really old dock, it's not going to be worth a whole lot if there's a claim. So if you've got a 40-year-old dock, you're not going to get anywhere near as much as you would if it was a brand new dock. So actual cash value simply means, what is this thing worth? It is depreciated. It's no longer worth, it's 40 years old. It's next to falling down, versus a brand new dock. So I do think the brand new dock people are going to be more inclined to look into dock insurance. If you simply have no options with your homeowner's policy, there are other excess and surplus lines markets that we can go to just have a standalone policy for your dock. Now keep in mind, it's just going to cover the property component of the dock. So the dock itself, there's going to be no liability coverage extended to it. So, if we're doing this, we do want to talk about, we're going to make sure that your homeowner's policy does extend coverage to the dock. And we can get that confirmed with the underwriters for the homeowner's insurance policy too. So I always try to couple these two together. Let's look at the property component and then always look at the liability component as well. And every homeowner is different. Every single dock owner is different. Prices change depending on where you are, saltwater, freshwater, the amount of use it gets. If it's on the intercoastal, there's a lot of different dynamics, and you're unique. So we would want to actually talk to you and figure out specifically what you need. So if you have questions or you need some help with this, please call our office. It's 239-674-7630. Or if you prefer, go to our website. It's goodladswank.com. Thank you.